Should I learn programming to be good in malware analysis? I get asked this question many times, especially from people who are coming from administration or SOC analysis background and they want to get into malware analysis and they are afraid of the programming step. And let me answer this question to you. The answer is no, you don't have to. It's really beneficial and you may need it in some interviews. But malware analysis is not about writing code. It's about reading code, reading the malware characteristics, behavior, even strings and so on, and use this to answer specific questions about the malware. Let me give you an example. You want to know how the malware communicates to the attacker, what protocols it uses, what domains, what ports. You find a string inside or a text inside the malware contains the exact domain. You find Windows commands or Windows functions or APIs. It's called HTTP connect or HTTP download file or HTTP send request. You know that you use HTTP to communicate to the attacker. You run the malware, you monitor its behavior, and you see that it actually uses these APIs to connect to the attacker and send some information like stolen passwords or things like that. You see it changed the registry in the known registry place current version /run, and it writes the malware path and the malware name to maintain the persistence inside the system. So you're able to answer another question, how the malware maintains persistence, and so on. So do you need programming really? The answer is not really. You only need to be able to read code and find specific evidence inside it. Writing code it's a different skill, and it's more about problem solving. You may need it just in the scripting part, let's say automating some parts in the analysis or something like that, but you don't actually have to learn, especially for an entry level. Hope that answers your question, and see you in the next video.